there, I'm Britt and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. Today we're over at a Lynn Haven favorite community, Grants Mill. Can't wait to show you this brand new listing, gorgeous 4-bedroom. Let's go check it out.
Beachy Beach.
I absolutely love this home in Grants Mill. So much attention to detail, lots of extras, beautiful details like tray ceilings throughout, really nice LVT throughout the main areas, and tall ceilings, crown molding, all the extras. It lets lots of natural light come in. You can see the big, beautiful backyard and a nice, spacious little back porch as well. I really love this kitchen. Plenty of extra seating with a little breakfast nook around the center island. You also have a space for a little bistro table, stainless steel appliances, gorgeous countertops, plenty of cabinet space, your own little pantry, a little mudroom area as well, leading into the garage, as well as a lot of extra counter space. Let's go check out the master ensuite. One of the things I love about this house is the very spacious primary bedroom. As you can see, lots of room in the bathroom. We've got that gorgeous LVT throughout here, a nice big tub, and a very expansive shower. I don't know if you can see, guys, but there's plenty of room in here. You've got a nice spacious closet. You've got his and her sinks. And then when you go into the primary bedroom, again, with lots of natural light, the tray ceilings, plenty of space, and a nice neutral soothing color palette. They thought of everything. What I like about this home is the other guest bedrooms are conveniently located next to the guest bathrooms. So you have access from the bedroom itself and from the hallway, and they're very nice sized. Plenty of space, and again, perfect positioning of the windows to let in that gorgeous Florida sunshine. If you liked what you saw today, make sure you click below for all the extra details like pictures and the listing description. And make sure you don't forget to subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com, ring that bell, make sure you don't miss out on any future deals like this one.